Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to change Google Chrome theme dark mode to light mode. Okay, let's start the video. First you like this video and subscribe my channel. You see on top right side three dots. Click on three dots. Go to setting, click on setting. You see left side the list. Select appearances. Okay. Click here, click on this dark, select light. Okay, your theme is change. Same you want to change light to dark, change this to dark. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching me.